Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about a topic that's been getting a lot of attention lately. It's cloud computing. So, what exactly is cloud computing? It's a way to store, manage, and process data over the internet instead of on your local hard drive or on premises servers. In this video, I am going to give you a brief description or brief overview of cloud computing and its benefits and some popular cloud services. So, let's get started. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a term that refers to the use of remote servers that are hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data. Instead of using your local hard drive or on premises servers, you can use cloud services to access your data from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. So now we are going to know about types of cloud computing. There are three types of cloud computing. They are public, private, and hybrid. Public clouds are owned and operated by third-party cloud services provider, while private clouds are dedicated to a single organization. And hybrid clouds combine both public and private clouds to offer more flexibility and control over your data. So now we are going to know about benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing offers several benefits including cost savings, scalability, flexibility, and improved security. By using cloud services, you can reduce your IT cost as you don't have to invest in expensive hardware or software. You can also scale your resource up or down as needed, which is great for businesses that experience fluctuations in demand. So let's we know about cloud services for individual. If you are an individual looking to use cloud services, there are several options available to you. Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox are all popular cloud services that offer free and paid plan for individual organization. Now we know about cloud services for businesses. For businesses, cloud computing can be a game changer. Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Platform are three of the most popular cloud service providers for businesses. They offer a range of services including virtual machine, storage, and networking. Now we are going to know about cloud security. One of the concerns that people have with cloud computing is security. However, cloud service providers take security very seriously and use a varieties of measures to protect their customers' data. Those measures including data encryption, two-factor authentication, and regular backup. So, cloud security is so more important for us. Now we know about cloud computing and the environment. Cloud computing is also beneficial for the environment. By using cloud services, businesses and individuals can reduce their carbon footprint by using fewer physical resources and energy. Now I am going to explain cloud computing and artificial intelligence. So, cloud computing is also known driving innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. With the help of cloud services, researchers and developers can train machine learning models and process large amount of data so much faster than other on-premises hardware. So here we are going to explain cloud computing and big data. Another area where cloud computing is making a big impact is big data. By using cloud services, businesses can process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and efficiently, which can help them make better decisions. Here we know about cloud computing and the future of work. So, cloud computing is also changing the way of work. With the rise of remote work, cloud services have become even more important for any kind of businesses. By using cloud services, employees can access their work from anywhere, which is great productivity and work-life balance. So, it's more than better benefit for us. Now we know about cloud computing and edge computing. Edge computing is a concept that closely related to cloud computing. It involves processing data on local device or on premise servers rather than in the cloud. Edge computing is useful for applications that require low latency such as autonomous vehicles and industrial automation. This slide we are going to explain cloud computing and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is another area where cloud computing is playing a big role. With the help of cloud services, IoT or Internet of Things device can communicate with each other and process data in real time. This is useful for applications like smart home, smart cities and industrial automation. So we are going to know about cloud computing and data privacy. Data privacy is a concern for many people when it comes to cloud computing. However, cloud service providers have strict policies in place to protect their customer data. They also comply with regulation like GDPR and HIPAA to ensure that data is handled securely. Now we are going to know about cloud computing and disaster recovery. Disaster recovery is another area where cloud computing can be beneficial. By using cloud services, businesses can back up their data and application to a remote server, which can be easily accessed in the event of disaster. So that's a brief overview of cloud computing and its benefits. From cost saving to improve security, cloud computing offers a lot of advantage over traditional on premises solution. If you interested in learning more about cloud computing, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching.